everyone, welcome to Somya's Kitchen. A very happy new year to all of you, and let's get started with the first recipe of this season. It's pav bhaji or Bombay style pav bhaji. For this we'll be needing 1 carrot, 3 medium onion, 3 medium tomatoes, capsicum, boiled potatoes, boiled peas, green peas, oil, butter, coriander, red chili powder, garlic, salt, kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, pav bhaji masala, sugar, and orange red color. So the first step is we need to chop onion into fine pieces. You can either chop them or else cut them by yourself. So we are cutting these onion into fine pieces. Again, with carrots we need to do the same thing. So for saving time, we are using a chopper. Once this is done, we'll move on to capsicum. We're also chopping capsicum into fine pieces. And now we have 2 to 3 tomatoes, which will give you around 2 cups of tomato curry or tomato puree. Now we'll take a pan and we're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You can adjust oil according to your preference. Now we're going to add onion into it. And we're going to saute it for a good 1 minute. Now we'll add carrots and then we're going to add the capsicum as well. Now these are frozen peas. These are little hard than the boiled peas. So you can either boil them early or else you can cook it with them as well. There's no problem. Now saute it then for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add about 1 tablespoon of garlic into it. If you're not one of those people who doesn't eat garlic, then you can also skip garlic. Now we're going to add the tomato puree. Now we are going to take potatoes and mash them by our hand and add it to the bhaji. After mixing it, add salt to your taste and 2 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala. Now we are adding Kashmiri red chili. This is primarily for the color only. Also some orange red color. This is just for the color. If you want to add it, you can. If you don't have to add it. And add water as needed. By the help of a masher, you can mash the whole bhaji and cook it for good 5 to 10 minutes. So keep on adding water until it gets a mixed consistency. Once it is done for 4 to 5 minutes, then add dried fenugreek leaves and 1 tablespoon of sugar into it and mash again. Then sprinkle some coriander on top of it. Now you can serve the bhaji. Our bhaji is ready. Top it with some butter to give it the luxurious taste that it has. And cook your pav into butter and your pav bhaji is ready. It's a very simple yet very tasty street style recipe. I hope you like it. Please comment down below what else do you want to see. Like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching Somya's Kitchen. Bye bye.